Welcome to Renovation X, your trusted companion in creating stylish, modern, and functional living spaces. In today's episode, we're unveiling some of the most innovative smart blind solutions specifically designed to suit Dubai's vibrant lifestyle and climate. Whether you're seeking to shield your home from the blazing desert sun, enhance your privacy, or simply add a touch of futuristic elegance to your interiors, we've got all the insights you need. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey to transform your home with smart technology. Let's dive right in. Dubai is known for its iconic skyline, luxurious homes, and a lifestyle that blends modernity with tradition. But living in such a dynamic city comes with its challenges, especially when it comes to managing the intense sunlight and maintaining privacy without compromising style. That's where smart blinds come in. Whether you're living in a sleek downtown apartment or a serene villa in Palm Jumeirah, these cutting-edge solutions are designed to elevate your home experience, offering both practicality and elegance. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about smart blinds. From keeping your home cool in Dubai's scorching heat to automating your living space for ultimate convenience, we'll show you why smart blinds are a game-changer for homeowners. So, stick around as we explore the most innovative options, compare features, and help you decide on the best solutions for your home. Trust us, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to take your living space to the next level with smart blinds. Dubai is a city that basks in year-round sunshine. While that's perfect for outdoor adventures, it can be a challenge indoors. Ever struggled with too much glare, heat, or lack of privacy? This is where smart blinds come to the rescue. Dubai's scorching summers can push temperatures over 40 degrees Celsius. Smart blinds help keep your home cool by blocking out excess heat, reducing your AC bills. With smart blinds, you can control your window coverings remotely, ensuring privacy even when you're not home. They add a sleek, futuristic touch to any interior, making your home look high-tech and stylish. Clips of different smart blinds in action. Motorized shades closing automatically, voice-controlled blinds responding to commands. Part 1. How smart blinds work. So, how do these smart blinds actually work? Let's break it down. Powered by a quiet motor, smart blinds can be controlled via remote, smartphone apps, or even voice commands through smart home systems like Alexa or Google Home. Many smart blinds come with light sensors, adjusting automatically based on the amount of sunlight. They can be integrated with other smart devices for a seamless, automated experience. Show a homeowner using their phone to control blinds, followed by a voice command demo. Now that we know why and how smart blinds work, let's talk about some of the best options available for homes in Dubai. Known for its reliability and smooth motorized systems, offers customizable smart shades with energy-saving features. Budget-friendly yet efficient, perfect for smart home beginners. Include footage of each brand's products, highlighting their unique features. Remember, at Renovation X, we believe in solutions that combine style with functionality. These brands offer a perfect mix of both. Part 2. Cost, installation, and maintenance. Let's talk about the practical side, the cost, installation, and maintenance of smart blinds. Entry-level options start around AED 1,500, while high-end brands can go up to AED 10,000 or more. It's always best to get a professional installer to ensure seamless integration. Smart blinds require minimal maintenance, but occasional cleaning and software updates are essential. Time-lapse of a smart blind installation, followed by a homeowner adjusting settings through a smartphone. Still wondering if smart blinds are worth the investment? Let's do a quick comparison. The host is standing in a beautifully renovated living room with smart blinds in the background. And that wraps up today's comprehensive guide on smart blind solutions for homes in Dubai. We hope this video has given you valuable insights and sparked some inspiration for your next home upgrade. From managing the blazing desert sun to enhancing your home's aesthetics and privacy, smart blinds truly are a game-changer for modern living. If you're planning to elevate your space with smart blinds, make sure to explore the options we've discussed and choose the ones that best suit your lifestyle and needs. At Renovation X, we're here to bring you the latest innovations to help you create luxurious, comfortable, and tech-savvy spaces. Before you go, don't forget to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and hitting that bell icon so you never miss out on our expert renovation tips and smart home solutions. We love hearing from you, so if you have any questions, suggestions, or if there's something specific you'd like us to cover in our future videos, drop us a comment below. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, stay smart, stay stylish, and keep transforming your spaces with RenovationX. By blocking out the intense heat, smart blinds reduce the need for air conditioning, making your home more energy efficient. Control your blinds remotely, even when you're away from home. This adds an extra layer of security by making your home appear occupied. Choose from various materials, colors, and designs to match your home decor. Some smart blinds even allow for programmable schedules, so your blinds adjust automatically throughout the day, compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Some blinds come with advanced sensors that adjust based on the sun's position throughout the day. Certain brands offer sustainable materials for environmentally conscious homeowners. Do you want maximum privacy, better light control, or energy savings? Understanding your goals will help you choose the right type of smart blinds. Some blinds come with more automation features than others. Decide whether you want fully automated blinds or prefer a hybrid model. Ensure the blinds you choose are compatible with your existing smart home devices. Visit our luxury showroom in Al Quoz 4, Dubai, to experience our latest home innovations firsthand. Touch the premium materials, test our smart fixtures, and see why Dubai's elite choose RenovationX. Schedule your private consultation today at 0488 28933, or visit RenovationX.ae. For daily inspiration, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at RenovationX.ae, where we showcase our latest luxury transformations. Join our prestigious client list and experience the difference that true luxury makes. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.